we learned how to create a view. But to alter it, so to change directly its query, that is not possible with the alter statement. But we have to drop it and recreate it. Or we can directly use the or replace keyword to replace that view. However, we can use the alter view statement to modify, drop, or create constraints on a view. The same as we learned on our earlier section where we made and changed constraints on a table. So regarding that, please refer to that lesson in our previous section. But important thing to know, if some change has been performed on the underlying table of the select statement in our view, we have to recompile that view. As when we change some properties on that table, our view is going to be marked on the database as invalid, and we have to recompile it. And we do that with the following syntax. It's alter, view, the name of the view, and compile. And when we execute that statement, our view is going to be recompiled. And if the underlying query of that view is valid, our view is going to be also valid. This is it for this short one, and see you in the next one.